I don't know how the fuck, but we are out.
What's happening to me?
You're gonna be fine.
This is the first time you've coughed up like this. You want to start explaining? Cough, blood. It's caused by something called plague.
A plague?